Hey wig lovers, welcome back. Our video today is a styling tutorial and I can't wait to show it to you. I have my stylist with me today, Christina, and I'm so excited because she's gonna help us do a waterfall braid, which is absolutely stunning. So let's get going.
To start off this look, take two small sections from the side of the head and twist in the direction you are most comfortable with. You will then add a third strand from the top and add it in the middle between every twist. Drop the middle strand as it is the piece that will give it that drape cascading effect. You will continue to repeat these steps going around the head. If you don't have enough hair towards the back, you can use a rubber band and tie that part around the crown area and pin it.